When you see a group of men sacrificing every Saturday morning, come here at 6 o'clock, early in the morning, makes you feel like, man, what else can you ask, you know?
Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Oh God, Father.
Because of this connection, this renewed connection that I do every day, it doesn't matter what's happening in this life, because she's there, she's present as we talk to her through the Rosary.
The Blessed Virgin, however, continues to lovingly contemplate the mysterious happenings of her son's life in her heart, challenging us to remove any obstacles which may prevent us from knowing his loving presence in our lives.
Heilige Maria, vol van genade, de Heer is met u. Gezegend zijt gij boven alle vrouwen, en gezegend is de vrucht van uw lichaam, Jezus.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners.
If you look at the Sons of Our Lady over the continuum of time, you start to see vocations. For instance, we now have two priests, the diocesan priests, Father Anthony and Father Bob. That's what it's about. It's about friendship, but most of all, it's about Our Lady and asking for her help in this life. We're on a journey, right? A spiritual journey. So, and she always does, but first we have to participate.
Of the Blessed Virgin Mary, that we may both take what they contain and obtain what they promise.